Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to use the haptic touch feature in an iPhone. So if you are an iPhone user, just go to the settings and tap on the accessibility by sliding it down and tapping on the option. Right now tap on that which you can see on the screen, the middle option. Right, once you do that, you have to see that there is option of haptic touch which says press on the display using a different length of time to reveal its content extra. Right, so we are going to keep the duration of touch in the display as fast, slow or default. So here I'm showing you on the screen how it is done and what is the difference between fast, default and slow. Right, so we will adjust its time to reveal the content previews, action and contextual menus. Right, so if I keep it basically slow, right, so it is taking time, see, but if I'm keeping it a little bit in different pace, which is fast, now see how quick it is coming. Definitely not a major feature, but it helps you to quick the activities that you want in your phone basically. For default, this is the pace that you will get when you hold the app, so it's quite slower than the fast one, and if I keep it slow, then it's the slowest. It reduces the duration of using app. And that's how we use this feature. See you in the next video. Ta-da.